Meet Kling AI, the best image-to-video generator in town that transforms your static images into stunning, lifelike videos. Kling AI offers an exceptional image-to-video feature with 3 unique capabilities. Camera movement control. Choose how the camera moves within your video to create dynamic and engaging content. Motion brush. Draw custom paths to move or rotate objects and people within your video, giving you full control over their motion. Elements. Upload multiple photos, describe their actions and interactions, and watch as Kling seamlessly combines them into one cohesive, lifelike video. With Kling, you can generate hyper-realistic videos up to 2 minutes long from a single image, with full control over facial expressions and body movements. One of the standout features of Kling is its ability to generate videos that conform to real-world physical laws, ensuring realistic interactions and movements. When you sign up, you receive 166 credits, 3 uses of professional mode, and 2 uses of video extension feature, allowing you to explore its powerful capabilities without any initial investment. Need inspiration for prompts? You can generate ideas with the help of ChatGPT, or explore what others have created using Kling's Explore page. Check out this impressive video of a cat boxing with a baby, or enjoy this fun clip of a cat grocery shopping on a motorbike.